Hello students, this is 9 of September 2020 and today we are continuing lesson 4, the homecoming in prose. This is long chapter, it take time too much, and earlier in the earlier paragraph you have studied that how the fatigue was longing for his mother, his home, his village, and his brother, and he could understand what is importance of home and his mother. And now once again we are continuing the chapter. There was no more backward boy in the whole school. पूरे स्कूल में इतना बैकवर्ड कोई लड़का नहीं था दैन फटीक की अपेक्षा. ही गैप्ड एंड रिमेंड साइलेंट. वो गैप करने लगा. गैप मतलब स्कूल परमानेंट नहीं जाता था, लोगों से दूर रहने लगा. रिमेंड साइलेंट, शांत रहता था. व्हेन हिज टीचर आस्क हिम क्वेश्चन, जब टीचर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछती थी. एंड लाइक एन ओवर लैडन ऐसा लगता था कोई बहुत ज़्यादा भार लिए हुए गधा हो. एंड पेशेंटली सफ़र्ड ऑल, और सारे दुख को पेशेंट के साथ सफ़र करता था, धैर्य से सफ़र कर रहा था. एंड ब्लूज, हर प्रहार को, हर घाव को, हर प्रहार को वो बड़े धैर्य से सहन कर रहा था. दैट केम डाउन ऑन हिज बैक, जो उसके पीठ पर लाद दिया जाता था. उस गधे की तरह स्थिति हो गई थी जो भार से दबा हुआ था और हर भार को बड़े धैर्य से सहन करता था. व्हेन द अदर बॉयज वाज आउट एट प्ले, जब दूसरे लड़के खेलते थे. ही स्टूड विस्टफुली बाय विंडो, तो वो चुपचाप खिड़की पर खड़ा हो जाता था. गेज्ड एट द रूफ ऑफ डिस्टेंस हाउसेस, और घूरता रहता था दूर के घरों की छतों को. एंड इफ बाय चांस ही स्पाइस्ड चिल्ड्रन प्लेइंग ऑन द टेरेस, अगर वो चुपचाप टेरेस पर खेलते हुए बच्चों को बाय चांस देखता था छत पर, तो हिज हार्ट वुड एक एंड लॉन्गिंग, तो उसका भी दिल एक दर्द होने लगता था और कराहने लगता था. बच्चों को छत पर, घर की छतों पर खेलता देखकर उसका दिल कराहने लगता था और वो परेशान हो जाता था कि अपने गांव पे होता, अपने घर पे होता तो वो भी खेलता. और इस तरह से खुले में खेलने के लिए उसका दिल परेशान हो जाता था. In this way, his heart was always longing. One day he summoned up all his courage. एक दिन उसने अपने पूरे साहस को जुटाया. Asked his uncle, अपने अंकल से पूछा. When I can go home, मैं घर कब जा सकता हूँ. His uncle answered, उसके अंकल ने उत्तर दिया. Wait till holidays come, इंतज़ार करो जब छुट्टियाँ आएंगी. But holidays would not come till November, लेकिन छुट्टियाँ नवंबर से पहले नहीं आएंगी. देयर वॉज लॉन्ग टाइम स्टिल, सो वेट, अभी भी बहुत लंबे समय तक इंतज़ार करना था. वन डे फटीक लॉस्ट हिज लेसन बुक, एक दिन फटीक की किताब खो गई. एंड विदाउट द हेल्प ऑफ बुक ही हैड फाउंड वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू इंडीड प्रिपेयर अ लेसन. किताब के बिना वो बहुत कठिन था लेसन को तैयार करना उसके लिए. नाउ इट वॉज इम्पॉसिबल, एकदम असंभव था. डे आफ्टर डे टीचर वुड केम टू हिम अनमर्सीफुली, दिन प्रतिदिन टीचर उसके प्रति दयाहीन होती गई. अनमर्सीफुली, दयाहीन होना. हिज कंडीशन बिकम सो एब्जेक्टली मिजरेबल, उसकी कंडीशन बहुत ही दयनीय हो गई. मिजरेबल मीन्स दयनीय. एंड इवन हिज कजिन्स वर असेम्ड टू हिज ओन, उसके कजिन अशेम, शर्माने लगे उसे अपना कहने में. दे बिगेन टू जीर एंड इंसल्ट, वो उससे घृणा करते थे और उसका अपमान करते थे. मोर देन द अदर बॉयज़, दूसरे लड़कों की अपेक्षा ज़्यादा परेशान करते थे उसे. ही वेंट टू हिज आंट एट लास्ट, अंतिम में अपनी चाची के पास गया. एंड टोल्ड हर, उन्हें बताया. दैट ही हैड लॉस्ट हिज बुक, कि उसने अपनी किताब खो दी. तो इन दिस वे आपने हिंदी देखा, अब हम इसके इंग्लिश एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं. तो इन दिस पैराग्राफ it is described that how he was longing for his home, for his village, and one day he lost his book. Then what happened with him? See it. There was no more backward boy in the whole school. Fatik was more backward than the other boy in the school. He was called backward, and he gaped and remained silent. He was not related to the society he has taken, and he became silent. He do not take part in the society, make gap, make distance with other, and he remain silent always. And teacher ask him question. If a teacher ask him a question, his condition become like an ass, as we who has a lot of loads on his back, and he is suffering all these problems with patients on his back, and he become very miserable, his condition become very miserable, and he is suffering all the problems with patiently, and his condition become like an ass which is overladen. And when the other boys were playing outside, he stood wistfully at window. So he was looking from the window to them playing, and gazed the roof of the distant houses. He was looking at the houses which were situated distant, and by chance he has seen the children playing on the ceiling on the roof, and his heart was also aching and lapping and craving for his village, for his house, and he wanted to play outside with the other children. One day, with all his courage, he asked his uncle that he wanted to go to his village home. His uncle replied that he could not go home till the holidays. Once again he is asked when holiday will come. His uncle replied that holiday will not come before November, and it was very long time, and he had to wait only. One day he has lost his book. The writer says that one day Fatiq had lost his book, and he could not prepare his lesson. This was very difficult to prepare his lesson without the book, and it was very difficult. Day after day, teacher would came him merciful, and teacher become merciless for him day after day, and after some time, teacher become merciless to him. His condition become exactly miserable. His condition was very miserable. He was very suffering lot of problems in his life, and his cousins were not saying him his own cousin, and they were also insulting him badly than the other boys. He went to his aunt at last and told him, and his cousins were insulting him, hating him, and they do not respect him. And one day he lost his book, then at last he could not suffer everything. Then he told his aunt that he has lost his book, and they faced lots of problems in the school and the society and home. And what happened after it, we will study in next paragraph in next week. Till then, bye bye. That's all. Thank you.